Okay, so this is the second part, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to GitHub. Now, give me a moment. I have to log in because I changed my password today because I forgot. And on GitHub, we're going to download the database file that you need. So just give me a moment here. Eventually, I get this through. There we go. We're going to go back to Team 113 as in the first part. And what we want is this file down here. But you can't just download the one file. So here we go. We're going to download all of the master branch again into a new zip file. I'm just going to chuck it to my desktop here. I'm going to get rid of the browser. I'm going to open it up in WinRAR. And in Team Master, I just want the one file, delivery service. There we go. So with delivery service, what we're going to do is we're actually going to open up our MySQL Workbench. Workbench is a very helpful tool. You're going to go to the local instance here, and you're going to type in your password. It should be admin in all lower cases. And what we're going to have here is a list of our databases. So you shouldn't have delivery service or UAV data. That's just stuff I have. But you should have things like Hello World, Circular, Sys, maybe Weld. But what I'm going to show you is how to install the new one. So we're going to run an SQL script. And wherever you put this delivery service, you're going to double click on him. And this will make it. So you want to press the run button. I've already built it, but it should take a few seconds for you. And when you open up delivery service, you have your tables. Just open that tab up and you have orders and user count. Now to access them, don't open the tab, just click on them and press the calculator like button and it should pop up with all these details. So let me just delete these tabs because I don't want them. So here we go. This is all the useful information you need. This is what we'll be using for testing. And I'll show you in part 3 how things work. So there's our admin, there's our mailman and other people. So yeah, but there's one more thing that we need to do. And that is actually connecting the database with NetBeans. So open up NetBeans. Eventually it'll open. I said eventually. There we go. And as previous in the part 1, you should have delivery service here. What you want to do is right click on them and go clean build. Now this will take a few seconds to compile. And now we've got build successful. And it should have all your content in there. But what we need to do is we need to go, there's 3 tabs here. You want to go to the service tab and go open up the databases. Now here, as you can see, the MySQL server, local server, it says disconnected. You need to connect to it. Press yes when the box pops up and type in the password to that. Should be admin lowercase. And then once that's done, you have to open that guy up even further to show all the databases in there. Right click on delivery service and connect to it. Again, you have to type in the password. Should be the same one. Admin with lowercase. Press OK, and you're now ready to roll. To double check everything works, just press this button here to start the application. It's a big triangle, green, play button, and that should run the delivery service. Now, the first time you do this, it will take some time because it has to load the Apache and Glassfish server. But every other time when you close it, it should be fine. And what's going to happen is it's going to open up in a browser. I suggest that you select a different browser, the Google Chrome browser, because I believe that's what everyone else is doing, but I'll show you in the next video. And here we go. So everything's ready, and that's the end of this part.